Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over the last 10 years of professional photography. My name's James, and in this one I'm going to talk about if you buy an expensive camera, do you instantly get amazing photos? Is that how it works? Now the reason I say this is because people have actually thought that. They've said it to me, like, you get an expensive camera or your cameras, they just do all the work for you like robots. All you do is click the button and out come these incredible images. It's like it does the work for you. That's not the case at all, and that's what I'm going to clear up today. And also this could save you quite a bit of money as well. So with cameras, if you have it in an auto mode, it doesn't matter how expensive the camera is, if you don't control the variables in certain situations, the pictures aren't going to be good. They might be blurry, underexposed, overexposed, not good at all, the wrong colors. So you might think, these are terrible, why isn't the camera producing incredible images? I paid a fortune for this setup. It's not like that. It's not like a robot that knows what you want to do. Cameras are incredible at what they can do, but you've got to control it. You've got to learn all the variables. If you want to learn photography from the beginning, what all the settings are and how to use it, just start watching the beginning videos of mine. It's like an online course, working my way up with photography. But you have to learn how to use it. Now, sometimes you don't even need a very expensive camera or lens or the gear that goes with it to get really high-end images. You really don't. So some cameras are like crazy expensive, but that's for a specific reason. They have a certain capability that's really, really powerful, but only certain types of photography need that. And you might not need it. It's like buying a really powerful sports car when you just want to go to the shops or, drive the kids to school or something like that. You don't need that capability. Now, when you walk into a camera shop, they'll tell you that you do. And so many people I've known have been suckered into this. They come out with these really expensive pieces of gear and they haven't got a clue how to use it. And when they start playing around with it, the images are bad and blurry and they just haven't got a clue. The power is there, but they don't know how to use it. But they've been sold it. They've been promised that if you buy this, it's like top review, 5-star review in DP review and everything, you'll get incredible images and all that. They just want to sell you expensive stuff to get their commission or, for the shop. You don't need to do that. You really, really don't. If you want some advice on that, get in touch with me and what sort of gear you might need for the sort of photography, and that will save you an awful lot of money. And secondhand stuff is, pretty cheap, and you won't end up buying something that you don't need. So don't be fooled by thinking if you go and treat yourself to a really expensive piece of gear, photography wise, that it's just gonna do everything for you and out come these incredible images. You still have to put the work in. You still have to learn how to edit, how to shoot properly, how to control the variables on the camera, and then you start getting those really, really good images. Now, if you'd like to work with me one-to-one coaching and learn something specific, then get in touch. We can make a discovery call and book something in. So yeah, details are down below. So I hope this video helped and it might even save you a bit of money.